If all corporations in the United States were to put 10% of their cash into Bitcoin, that alone would add $200,000 to the Bitcoin price.
All right. So one of the most surprising things about cryptocurrency is that only 6% of people in the US actually own it. And in my opinion, I think we could easily see this number reach 50% once it becomes easier for people to buy crypto, sell crypto, use it at stores, and hold it. And we're already starting to see this happen because companies like Apple have recently come out and said that they are working on cryptocurrency payments. We recently just heard from Amazon, who said they are exploring cryptocurrency payments as well. And I think once we start to see these major institutions accept crypto, offer cryptocurrency services, once Apple comes out with a digital wallet where you can buy, sell, hold, and trade crypto, I think we're going to see that 6% of people in the US owning crypto skyrocket to well over 50%. And imagine how much more money that's going to mean being poured into cryptocurrencies.
There's a huge amount of value in this cryptocurrency space with trading and exchanging.
In addition to this, we see institutions right now barely own any crypto, but according to studies, hedge funds expect to allocate 7% of their portfolios into crypto by 2026, and the SEC says it is inevitable and long overdue that we see a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. So with all of this, I think we could all agree that eventually more people are going to own crypto. More institutions are going to own it, and that's going to drive the price up because more money is going to be coming into the space. So in today's video, what I want to do is go over what going 100% into crypto looks like. I want to talk about specific investments I have made in a $20,000 cryptocurrency portfolio on Coinbase. I took my rest of my investments out of there because I wanted to make this easy to follow and as simple as possible. Previously, I've showed you guys my over $700,000 portfolio on Robinhood, my over $200,000 portfolio on Webull, and if you're part of our Patreon group, I have showed you my 7-figure accounts on both Charles Schwab and my largest one, which is on JP Morgan and Chase. So I want to keep this number today at 20,000 because I thought it was relatable in some way to everyone. If you have millions of dollars, at least it's significant enough where you're like, maybe I should listen to this dude. It's not like he has no money. And if you have, let's say, $100 or $1,000, it's a number that you could maybe strive to and still relate your portfolio to. So today's video, we're going to break all of that down, exact investments I would make and I'd have made in that $20,000 portfolio. So if you enjoy this sort of content, well then please be sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe. Let's see if we get the video up to 1,500 likes. And if you don't already have the public.com investing app, make sure to go ahead and follow me on that. You can buy stocks, sell stocks, and see exactly what I'm buying and selling in real time, as well as a full portfolio breakdown. Think of it like an investing app combined with social media. It is completely free to follow me. Use the code Michael when you sign up and you'll get up to $50 in a free stock. But anyways, let's go over how exactly I structured this $20,000 cryptocurrency portfolio. Over the last couple days, I've been taking a lot of money out of this portfolio, preparing for this video. I moved it into cold storage, moved it to other exchanges because I wanted to get it as close to $20,000 as possible. You can see my recent transactions are just converting small amounts either from rewards or from other coins into the 4 or 5 main holdings I wanted to have for this video. So anyways, right now the portfolio is just over $20,000, and the important thing is going to be looking at the percentages. So the highest percentage coin that I have in this portfolio is first Ethereum. Ethereum makes just about 50% of the portfolio, and the reasoning for this is because I'm the most bullish on Ethereum out of all of the cryptos. Yes, I like a lot of others, but for Ethereum, it's a coin that is the second largest crypto in terms of market cap. There is institutional investors already invested, and I think it has significantly more practical use cases than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is great, and I do own it, but I think Ethereum with decentralized finance applications, with smart contracts, with NFTs, and with all the use cases it has, I think it will overtake Bitcoin in terms of market cap, and I think there is a lot more upside for Ethereum than for Bitcoin. So that's the reason why I put it as the largest position in this portfolio. I have about $10,000 in it, right around 50% of the portfolio. The dollar amounts don't really matter. The important thing is the percentages. The second largest crypto in the portfolio for me is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I think, it should be part of anyone's portfolio, whether you have, $100 or $10 million. I think Bitcoin should be part of anyone's crypto portfolio simply because It is the largest in terms of market cap. It is the oldest, most established cryptocurrency. And the thing that I really like about it is that institutions, whenever you see any institutions getting involved in crypto, most of the time, the only one they're going to pick is Bitcoin, because it is the most established, because it has been around the longest, and because many of them treat it as like a digital gold. So Bitcoin, in my opinion, is never going to go away. Is it always going to be the largest? I don't think so. I think Ethereum could definitely surpass it, but Bitcoin is never going to go away. And as institutions get more involved in crypto, they're always going to pick Bitcoin first. We see that the SEC has talked about approving Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. And right now, where we are in crypto, Bitcoin is definitely the safest, and it is definitely a very smart investment in the crypto space. It is going to be the least volatile because it is the largest. It has been around the longest, but it also still has a lot of upside. So for that reason, I wanted to put my second highest position in Bitcoin, which is right around 20% of the portfolio. The third position I have in this portfolio is Cardano. Cardano makes up 20% of the portfolio as well. And the reason I like Cardano is because Cardano is another project that is very similar to Ethereum. It has decentralized finance applications, it has smart contracts, it's going to have NFTs, it has many of the same things as Ethereum, but transaction speeds are faster. And the thing that I really like about Cardano, besides transaction speeds, besides energy efficiency, the thing that I really like about Cardano is that their co-creator, Charles Hoskinson, works so much to get new partnerships and grow the platform. Like, I don't hear about Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin actively seeking out partnerships with countries. But with Cardano, we see them in talks with El Salvador. They already have major partnerships with Ethiopia and Tanzania. So the thing is, Cardano has so many use cases. It's in the top 10 of all cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap. But the thing that I like about them, the thing that stands out to me, is that it's a platform that not only is in the DeFi space with hundreds of thousands of people with active wallet addresses, but the co-creator, the person behind the project, is working tirelessly to secure new partnerships with major governments all around the world. And when I'm talking about investing in a crypto or investing in a company, I like to see who's managing it and how do they actually work? Are they have they been successful in the past? Do they work hard to accomplish the goals of the company? And that's exactly what Cardano does. They actively are always seeking out partnerships. Charles Hoskinson was a part of Ethereum when it was first founded. So I like the team behind it. I like what Cardano does with all the DeFi applications as well. So it makes up 20%. So right now we have Ethereum, which is 50% of the portfolio, Bitcoin, which is 20%, and Cardano, which is 20%. So that brings us right around to 90% total. And then the last 10% I have in Polygon. So right now it says about 9.47% is in Polygon. And the reason for that is because Polygon is a project that I have liked for a while. I've talked about it on multiple channels in the past. And the reason why I like Polygon is because betting on Polygon is that you're betting on Ethereum. Ethereum right now, it has high transaction fees, as when people are using it a lot, when the price goes up, it gets a little bit slower, transaction fees go higher. Polygon is like a second layer solution to Ethereum. Polygon, with it, you think of Ethereum like the main highway. As more people are getting on the Ethereum network, well, it gets congested, it gets slower, it gets more expensive. Polygon are like all of these side roads where then you get all the same benefits as Ethereum in terms of, many of the same benefits as Ethereum in terms of being able to use access the network, but it's going to be cheaper in terms of transaction costs and a lot faster. So for that reason, we've seen Polygon have a lot of institutional interest over the last couple of months, and we have seen Mark Cuban personally invest in the project. So for that reason, I have about 10% in Polygon. So for me, those are my top 4 cryptocurrencies. If I had only $20,000 to invest, which is this portfolio, this is how I'd break it up. I think it is, not the highest risk portfolio by any means, but definitely not the lowest risk. I think it's pretty moderate in terms of how risky it is. If I wanted to play it a little bit safer, I'd put more money into Bitcoin than into Ethereum. But for the most part, I keep my cryptocurrency holdings to about 5, maximum 10 holdings out of all cryptos I own. I don't have, dozens of smaller altcoins. I have a couple projects that I understand, that I like, and I'm never going to invest in something that I don't truly understand or don't know enough about. So these are the 4 I'd pick in this $20,000 cryptocurrency portfolio. If you guys would like to see other videos where I talk about my larger portfolios for crypto or for stocks, let me know in the comments down below which portfolio you'd like to see. Would you like to see my larger stock portfolios? Would you like to see cryptocurrency portfolios? Let me know which ones you'd like to see. But this is exactly how I have a $20,000 cryptocurrency portfolio structured: 50% in Ethereum, 20% in Bitcoin, 20% in Cardano, and 10% in Polygon. So I didn't want to make this video too long. Just want to go over the percentages, some of the brief reasonings why I pick it, and I want to show you guys how long-term I think crypto is going to definitely increase dramatically from where it is right now. I think we're at the ground floor right now because only 6% of people in the US own it. Very few institutions are involved in crypto. And once we see these numbers go up, the entire market, I think, is going to explode. So that's what's going on. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.